Hello everyone, so this is 9 a.m. in the morning as requested by so many for me to share what I eat a day, like what I have as breakfast, lunch, dinner, like generally what I eat in a day to stay healthy and in shape. So that is what I promised to do in this video, and I will be starting with what I start my day with, show you my breakfast, my lunch, like how I spend my day eating, like what I eat for the whole day to stay healthy. Voila, so this is 9 a.m. in the morning, and I normally start my day with my metabolism boosting tea, a tea that will awaken and boost my metabolism. So, whatever I consume during the day, it breaks down so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. I have a lot of these recipes, but this is the recipe I'll be using for today. I just need a sachet of green tea. I'll squeeze in half a lemon in the green tea because lemon helps to facilitate digestion, boost your metabolism, help you lose some fat, most especially if you want to always stay in shape without fat store up in your system. And I'll be adding some cinnamon powder in my tea. So as you can peep at the side, you see my water is boiling. So hot water is very good to start your day with, as it helps to normalize, regulate your blood pressure, like it keeps you healthy and awake. So I'm trying to, like, when you put your hot water, try to like get the tea to get infused in your water. You see the color looks green because of the green tea. And I'll be squeezing in half a lemon in my cup of tea. So this lemon with the green tea acts like a mild detox in the morning, wakes up your system, activates your system for the day, like helps you burn fat, boosts your metabolism. I'll be adding a little bit of honey. Honey too gives you energy to burn fat. This is good, a good sweetener. So I'll be adding just like half a teaspoon of honey. This is good, not white sugar. You want to stay away from white sugar and use just something like honey, and voila. This is 9 a.m. in the morning, and this is my metabolism boosting tea. The first thing I have in the morning before breakfast. So this is 11 a.m. in the morning when I'll be having my late breakfast. So it keeps me full till about 2 3 p.m., like 2 3 p.m., so I can just have my lunch slash dinner, so I don't eat a lot for the day. The secret is to have a breakfast that will keep you so full for long without you craving to eat till lunchtime by 2:30 3 p.m. So after you eat your lunch, you don't feel like eating anything. You can just snack on something before going to bed. So let me show you what I'll be having for lunch. So most of my breakfast are smoothies, most especially smoothies that have a lot of fiber to keep me full for long while nourishing my system with nutrients. I can have oatmeal as breakfast for some days. I can have my smoothies. Most of the time I have these smoothies because I want to nourish my system. And the smoothie of today, I'll be using half a pineapple. So you just want to get I had it in my refrigerator, so I just got it out of the refrigerator, and you want to slice into some sizes that you can easily blend. I'll be adding in some grapes here. These red grapes are very good, most especially to fight aging, loaded with antioxidants to nourish your system, so you can always have that youthful radiance to your skin. I'll be adding half a banana in here so it keeps me full for long. Bananas are very good and they will keep you full. I'll be adding one orange in here because orange helps to, like, if you're bloated, this relieves bloating, softens you from the inside, softens your stool, so you don't store up food. This is the secret. So nothing stores up, causing that belly fat and weight gain. So oranges are very good, most especially your babies. If they are constipated, just give them orange and you will see how they'll just get light and poop everything out. So this is it. I want to just come up so fast with this smoothie without taking a lot of your time. So that is my orange in my blender, my grape, my pineapple, my banana. So easy. This is a kind of a nourishing, age fighting, inner skin glow kind of smoothie. So nourishing and will keep you full for, like, having this. If you train yourself having this, trust me, you will not even feel hungry. You will just feel so full till about 2:30 3 p.m. in the afternoon before you feel like eating something. So voila, this is it. You want to consume a whole cup of this, nourish your system as your breakfast while waiting for lunch at 2:33. And voila, this is dinner time. This is 3 p.m. and what I'll be having is my salmon salad for dinner. Trust me, after eating this plate, you will not feel like eating again for the whole, like till you just go to bed. Maybe I can snack something late at night. I can have whatever fruit, but having this by 3 p.m., you will not feel like eating anything again. So I shared this recipe, the recipe of my salmon salad yesterday, my salmon fish salad. If I'll still leave the recipe here in case you did not watch that video very quickly, so you can catch up and see how I came up with this dinner recipe. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first thing you need is your fish. So I'll be using salmon fish for today. You basically just need to spice it with your spice that you're comfortable with. I'm using garlic, paprika, black pepper, a little bit of chicken spice just for that Maggi cube kind of taste. I'm using basil, a little bit of cayenne pepper just to make it kind of, a little bit tasty. And I'll be adding some olive oil to mix up these ingredients and give the fish that moist to eat. So you just want to mix up your ingredients and kind of marinate. So if you like, you can marinate, keep the fish for like 1 hour. But salmon easily absorbs your spice, so I'm not keeping for some time. I just need to wrap up my spices and get them infused in the fish for like, yeah, for just like 10 minutes and put it in my oven. So this is what you want to do. Make sure your ingredients really get the spices really get infused in your fish so it tastes good in your mouth. So this is what you want to do. I don't like to put my fish directly in my oven. I just have this kind of tiny little tray that I use to bake with. You just put it in there on 200. It bakes for 200 for like 40 minutes depending. You just have to check and flip the sides. After like 30 minutes, you go check, flip the sides. And my salad for today, I'll be using lettuce as the first green leafy vegetable. Green leafy vegetables are very good as they cleanse your system. I love me some green leafy vegetables, and you always want to make sure to wash them thoroughly so you don't put in pesticides in your system that were used in spraying this food. So I use vinegar and water to wash them, and I'll be adding in some cucumber. So I'll be adding in half a cucumber for my salad for today. You just need to slice into the sizes that you want. So as always, I always use vinegar to wash my ingredients, and the vinegar too helps to soften this cucumber so it doesn't taste so like crunchy. Like it doesn't feel so crunchy but soft while you're eating it. So this is what you want to do. Soak the ingredients for like 10 minutes, and I'll slice up my onion. I'll be adding half an onion in here. You just want to get your onion sliced into some sizes that you like as well. So same as the lettuce and cucumber, I will be adding some vinegar and water to wash the onion and equally leave it to like soften a little bit. So I'll be adding some avocados. Avocados are very good, healthy fats to nourish your system and help you break down bad fats as well. So you want to strain the water out of, you want to wash these ingredients, the vinegar out of your ingredients, strain the water, and voila, this is it. Now is my cream, and if you know me so well, you know I love my lemon olive oil cream. So I'll be using 3 tablespoons of lemon, 3 tablespoons of olive oil to come up with my cream, and I'll be adding some black pepper and a pinch of salt. So you just want to measure 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add a pinch of black pepper. I love black pepper, so I really put a lot of it. I add a pinch of salt and mix, 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 and voila, this is my cream. Very easy. I don't eat this is my salad dressing. I don't eat creams because they make you gain a lot of weight. And yeah, so this is my fish all ready now to add in my salad, and voila. So this is it in my salad. You want to add your dressing now. So this is my dressing in my salad plate. In short, I have a full video that is slow. I just had to make it so fast because I don't want to take a lot of your time. This is what I'm having for dinner, and trust me, when I'm done with this, I don't feel like eating any other thing again for dinner. So I can snack on maybe any fruit I want, I find around, or but not actually eating something again. And this helps me to really stay in shape and healthy. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope someone loves this video and finds it helpful. For sure, this is how you should spend your day if you want to This is what you should be eating for a day if you want to stay healthy, most importantly, and in shape as well. Avoiding processed foods. Try cooking your own food your own self at home. Make your own food, raw food that you make yourself at home without buying already made food with maybe bad oils and some kind of bad oils or processed food that your system cannot easily break down. So you want to make cook natural, like buy raw food from the market, come back home, take care of yourself, nourish your system, and trust me, you will always stay healthy, free from all sicknesses and diseases. And yeah, so that is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope someone finds this video helpful. As usual, don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, and see you again in my next video. Bye.